If your playlist doesn't have Shenseea, you're missing out on some serious vibes. Let's dive into her journey. From hustling in Kingston to dominating global charts, Shenseea is living proof that dreams do come true. She burst onto the scene with Ludi, capturing hearts and ears everywhere. But she didn't stop there. Tracks like Blessed and Shen Yang Anthems solidified her as a force in reggae and dancehall. This year, Shenseea earned her first Grammy nomination, a monumental moment for her and for Caribbean music. It's not just about the awards, it's about the grind, the passion, and the music that speaks to millions. So next time you need a boost, throw on some Shenseea. She's not just a singer, she's an inspiration. Keep dreaming big because who knows? You might just be the next to rise. Stay blessed, Shen Yangs.